To find best promo codes for helium.com, what you have to do is click and search on the Helium 10 website in front of you. And here on the official website, you will get a lot of promo codes or discount code. Like here, you can see that save 20% off per month or billed annually. Here on the left, you can simply paste a promo code that will give you a discount, a suspicious discount. Now, let's move to the promo codes. The first website is dealspotter.com. In this website, as you can see, there is a lot of promo code mentioned for 10% off, for 8%, 20%, and different type of offers here available. To get a quick promo code, you have to click on show account details and copy it. Now, let's focus on the second website, that is vthrift.com. It is the best and the genuine website leading to give you best promo codes. You can also copy the codes from here and paste it. Enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video.